Good morning. This is First Lady of Virginia, Suzanne Youngkin. Thank you for inviting me to celebrate the launch of the Social Health Connector tool here at No Wrong Door, Virginia. No Wrong Door, Virginia is an incredibly special network serving our Commonwealth. Your commitment to supporting older adults, caregivers, individuals with disabilities, veterans, and their families is critically important. As the mother of four children and someone who is deeply committed to caring for a nuclear and extended family, I know the challenges that come with ensuring all of our loved ones feel supported and cared for. That's why this person centered virtual assessment, created to design customized social health plans, is not only innovative, but deeply necessary. I am so excited to celebrate its launch with you today, albeit virtually. As our world continues to fight against the growing threat of social isolation, we must work together to foster support and encourage the well-being of others. That is exactly what the Social Health Connector tool is doing. So again, thank you to every person who helped make this possible. This tool will certainly change lives for the better. May God bless you and No Wrong Door, Virginia.